a disaster. It didn't happen. So this is the project I am talking about. But this didn't happen in one go. It was a lot of waste, and then again we tried, which we just sealed in whatever way possible. What the leakage was there, the lot of leakage of the resin was there. We somehow we sealed it. We just tried it again, and it was a disaster. Look at this. So this is our first thing. Like, see how it is. This is our first thing that we tried with the epoxy, the resin, which was kind of a resin which we will be using, but not exactly it, because in resin also, as I will tell you, there are like lot of other. It is not like black and white. This is not. This is the resin. This is the thing, and you have to do it like this. This is not like that. In that also there are like lot of other things that you have to know. There are a lot of other different kind of resin even in our projects also. So we didn't know that, but somehow we did this thing, and it was like really a disaster. There was like really it boiled, it gave out fumes, it leaked, and it took like we didn't even know how many days it took to cure, to become hard. It was sticky. It took like at least a month to actually get this thing out. And then we took it out of the mold. Somehow we didn't know, it just stuck to the mold because we didn't know about we have to actually what we have to do. So that was stuck to the mold, and then we had to remove the mold, and basically there was a lot of disaster. We didn't know anything. So after that, then we realized it is not so easy. So after that, then we started really doing our research. Like there were like small projects that we did, a lot of minute thing, and we asked a lot of people. We even contacted this YouTube people abroad. They didn't have time, and their knowledge was rare. We didn't get the knowledge that we required. So we tried a lot. We tried a lot. A lot of R&Ds, a lot of research, lot of failures. Like as in lot of failures, and wasted a lot of resin, wasted a lot of time, and then finally it took us 1 year to actually know what a basic. It took us 1 year to just know the basic of it, like basically how the mold is made, how you have to prepare the mold, how this. So what the basic thing to know the basic thing, it took us like a lot of time. It took a lot of time, and then after that thing, like nearly after 1 year, we were finally able to do a project, my friend's project, which was just like it was a normal project, just like how you can see now. Like normally anybody just take like it is a normal basic thing. It took us one year just to get it out of the mold. It seems like a table. There were like 3 woods, and there was resin. Obviously there were like a lot of bubbles, because that time we didn't know about bubbles, and we didn't know about micro bubbles. We didn't know anything. But the thing was, we were just happy that we just made something, and it just at least it was not a disaster. It was not a failed project. For that thing we took like 1 year, and after that somehow we finished it with our limited knowledge. Finishing as in finishing, cutting the edges, that we didn't know. Somehow we did manage to cut the edges, because nobody was cutting it. We didn't have the equipment. We didn't know the equipment to cut it. We didn't know how it will react. If we went to the mill to cut, they didn't know what this product was, whether it is a glass or what, because we didn't know to explain what this product ourselves. We didn't know to explain to them actually what this is and how it will react. So finally when they started cutting the sides, it gave some stickiness. It spoiled their blades also. There were a lot of stuff. We didn't know. We managed to cut the sides. Then we managed to level the surface. Leveling the surface was also a headache, because that too we didn't know the equipments, nothing. So that was a disaster. Everything was a disaster. Then after that, as I told you, it took us just 1 year to just get the project out of the mold. Then finishing it up, it took us like 2-3, like at least 4 months. It took us a lot of time just to finish it. and then to give a we didn't know what oil to use, how to finish it, like we didn't know anything. So it just at least it took us 1.5 years to just get one kind of a project done. That the first project that we did, that is still there with our friend, and that is the most beautiful thing that we did, and it is like emotionally connected to us. So with, and this was like with full dedication, with full research done, with whatever limited resources that we had, limited equipment, everything. It took us like more than 1.5 years just to do a basic table. So after that we just took it very seriously, was because it was like we wanted to learn more about it, and there was nobody to teach us. After that we did a lot of research, we did a lot of other stuff. Then after that, like now it is like after 3 years, 3 or 4 years, now we completed like we did more than 100 tables successfully, and we did it for a lot of hotels and clubs and to people, and we just completed on our own with no knowledge, with like this knowledge is from all failed attempts, with our own experience, everything. So this is, and the knowledge which came out of our experience, this is like accurately how the market knows about our product. So we according to our climate also. So this knowledge that we got, it was not from the books and all, because if we have to go according to the European or the American way of thing, their industry is much developed. Their ecosystem about this table, this resin table, is much more developed than obviously us, because they started in the year 1992 in America. So we are just like initial stages of this thing. So like what we learned from our own experience is how to get it done in our environment, in how with our equipments, because the equipments which we have and the equipment that they use, their equipment are specially designed for that. Our equipments, our thing is not designed for such kind of things. So what we learn from this experience, and like how we did, and like accurately, like perfectly, how the perfection is attained with the resources and the equipment that we have. This is the reason why we are able to teach. We've already done a lot of live sessions now. Like as we speak, we already trained 30 students, and they, like most of them, they started doing their own tables, and they are like really pro. Because once you know the knowledge, once you know everything, once you have once you know where to get your material, where to get your finishing product, where to get your equipments, how accurately you have to do. Once you know all these things, it is just like even a kid can do it. And the equipment that we use, those are so automated, and they are like so much affordable that like anybody can do it. So that is the reason why when like after you study from us, because we have not studied from the books and all, we studied from real life experience and real life occurrence according to the climate, and whatever with our climate, with our environment, with all our difficulties, even the sourcing out of the material, everything. This comes with like on this this is on the ground reality. It is not like just go into this and just get it, because we know this kind of thing will not be available here. It will be available here. How we have to get this? So this is not by the book. It is by experience with the ground reality, what is available in our country. And even the resin, because nobody knows much about this resin. They are now since people have started making resin tables, the resin epoxy resin table, they have started producing this resin also. Like how we do, we just started producing resin, but then you have to know what kind of resin is this. There are like lot of grades, lot of other, because there are very cheaper resins and expensive resin also. So that understanding everything, it is based on our ground research, but there was nobody to teach us. So that is the reason why when you learn from us, you will be like perfectly aware of what you are doing. You can just, after you finish this course, will be just so much perfect, so much perfect in your knowledge, and will be telling you precisely what you need to know, not the story behind. I'll be not just giving you a big story like you have to go here there. No, I'll be just precisely telling you what you have to use. This thing, this thing, this thing, do this thing precisely what you have to do, like, not to go here and there, everything. But also I might like to add is every process, whether it be resin or making of the mold, making of the choosing the wood, preparation of the wood, everything I'll be just precisely telling you what to do. I am so much confident that after you finish this, you will just go and do your own stuff. You will be so confident because you will be knowing everything. But then again, this is the 90%. This what knowledge that I'll be giving you is 90%. 10% is very important, that you have to experience on your own terms. When you do your project, then you will be getting a lot of questions. Why this is happening? This is happening. So then you all be having us. You just pick up your phone and just call us. Wherever you get stuck, you have to ask us this thing. Because in that also, in all the, even in placement of the wood, pouring of the epoxy, and all the things, the finishing and fixing the legs also, everything, it is a detailed study. It is a detailed study. It is our study of 4 years, and that also with experience. This didn't come like in 2 days. So even this small all the steps, it is a detailed study. So for that we have like individual courses we have. But right now what you will be learning is complete. You will be learning the entire thing precisely. Then if obviously, then if you have to go in much details, then you have to do that course. You can do that course, or otherwise basically you will come to know everything. But some people, they need to, because they will be going in further serious business and all. So for them, like, they have to understand like exactly what wood you have to use, how to choose your wood, how to finish your wood in precision, in like absolute detail, in detailing. So for that reason, that is a mastery level. So that is a different level. So individual courses will be available. So after that you can opt to do those classes, those individual classes also. Like everything will be individually explained. Individual courses will be there. Like there will be a special course on resin. Then we'll be explaining everything about resin with experts and all. Experts will be coming. Experts will be explaining what is the breakup, what is the chemical thing, what are types of resin, everything. So that will be everything in absolute precision. And so selection of the wood, what kind of wood, the expert, the people who work with woods and all, they will be explaining in this courses. They will be explaining to you how do you have to do. These are people who just taught us. Everybody is an expert. Like we've dealt with small things. Everything, even the wood, choosing of the wood, and there are like minute details that you have to know. That is a different detailed study that you can opt to do later on. But with this knowledge that I am giving you now in this course, you will be like absolutely, you will just have to go and just get whatever I tell you, just do it in the way that I tell you, and then you will be just doing it in like even a child can do it. I'll be just telling you how to do it, like how much accuracy, what equipment you need to use, where you have to get your resin from, what should be the price of the resin. And I'll be also will be including you all in our Telegram group. So everything, every day there will be upgrades in this field. There will be something new coming on. So everything will be updated to you all. Everything will be updated on a regular basis when you all are in our private group. So, and also you all can for your project, whenever you get stuck, there will be a helpline number, a WhatsApp number, that you can just call us anytime or text us. We will be getting back to you and will be explaining everything. So that is the thing. So now moving forward, this was the introduction. I told you why it is important to learn from us, because we are just like you. We were just like you. We didn't know anything. But now, like we wasted 4 years. So now those 4 years and wasted a lot of money. And this money is not cheap money, it is like in lakhs, because the resin, it does not come cheap. Nothing is cheap. Even the wood that we selected, everything we used to buy it in bulk just to try. So money is also there, time also is there. So all this thing we have already tried, we have already done. So you all be starting much in like one step further than us. So what you will be learning is from our mistakes, from our experience. And now when you will be starting, you will be one step further than us, and you will be doing much better project than us. So that is the reason why it is more important to learn from us. And then obviously we will be guiding you through your journey all the way around. So thank you for choosing us. And now let's get started with the course, and let's meet you in the course now. Thank you.